Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a public Minecraft server. First, download the official server software directly from Mojang's website. Next, confirm your computer meets the necessary system requirements to handle the server load effectively. Finally, create a dedicated folder on your desktop or in your documents to store all your server files neatly. This preparation ensures a smooth setup process. Now, let's configure your server. Open the server.properties file to adjust game settings like difficulty, game mode, and player limits. This file is crucial for customizing your experience. Next, you'll need to set up port forwarding on your router, usually for port 25565, to allow external connections. Remember to assign a static IP address to your server computer for reliable access. With configuration complete, it's time to launch your server. Run the server.jar file. This will generate essential files, including the EULA. Next, open the EULA.txt file and change EULA equals false to EULA equals true to accept the end-user license agreement. Finally, restart your server and test it locally by connecting with localhost to ensure everything is working correctly before inviting others. Your server is now ready for public access. Share your public IP address with friends, and they can connect directly to your game. Remember to regularly back up your server world and configuration files to safeguard your progress and settings. This prevents any potential data loss. Also, for other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Happy crafting!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.